Hello everybody, welcome to Smart Money Orb. It's your boy Jeremy and I'm back with another video, another quick tip to show you guys how to make money online. Alright, if you're new to making money online or you just need some few bucks, just in your account, alright, I found you guys a site that is paying right now and it's legit, so you guys can just sign up and make some cool money. Alright, now I'm gonna drop the link to that site in the description for you guys to check it out. Okay, now this is the site. It's called Pico Workers. All right, so it's very easy to sign up. You come in here and you find jobs to do as a freelancer, or if you have jobs you want to post, you can come up in here, you post it, and people the withdrawal process within 10 business days of placing a request. Alright, so this site is legit and you can come up in here and do gigs or post gigs or whatever it is you want. So I want you guys to check this out. So I just joined this, I think 30 minutes ago, so I really want to share this knowledge with you guys. So if you've gotten value from this video, I urge you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I get new content to drop for you guys. Alright, so see you in my next video.